hat, it goes on your head. Blue or red or bright instead. H is for hammer, bang bang sound, fixing things all around. H is for helicopter flying so high, whirring, spinning across the sky. H is for hammock, swinging slow, rest and relax, nice and low. H is happy, H is here. Let's find H things far and near. We clap and sing, we jump with glee, learning H so happily. H is for horn, beep beep loud, driving through a busy crowd. H is for hoodie, warm and snug, cozy like a teddy hug. H is for honey, sticky and sweet, a golden treat you love to eat. H is for house, big or small, a home for you, your toys and all. H is happy, H is here. We found H things far and near. Now we know H, let's shout hooray! We learned it all the fun way. We learned it all the fun way. Learned it all the fun way.
O is for objects around or bright. Let's find the O's left and right. Big or small, let's sing and play. Say O out loud, hooray, hooray, hooray. O is for orange, juicy and sweet, a healthy snack we love to eat. O is for oval, shaped just so, not a circle, but close, you know. O is for octopus, arms all around, wiggling gently without a sound. O is for oven, warm and hot, bakes the cookies in a cozy spot. O is for objects round or bright. Let's find the O's left and right. Big or small, let's sing and play. Say O out loud, hooray, hooray, hooray. O is for oil in a shiny tin, used in cooking to begin. O is for onion, round and white, it makes us blink, oh what a sight. O is for orchestra, playing tunes, music rising like balloons. O is for owl, awake at night, flying under the moonlight. O is for objects round or bright. We found the O's with pure delight. Now we know the O sound true. O is fun for me and you. R is the letter round and right. Let's find things that start with R. Hold on tight. We'll sing and smile, we'll dance and play, learning R in a fun new way. R is for rainbow, up in the sky, colors so pretty, flying high. R is for rocket, zooming fast, up to the moon, so big and vast. R is for robot, shiny and cool, walking and talking, following rules. R is for ruler, long and straight, measure your paper, it's really great. R is the letter round and right. Let's find things that start with R. Hold on tight. We'll sing and smile, we'll dance and play, learning R in a crowd. R is for rope, swing or tie, pull it gently or let it fly. R is for rug, so soft and neat, lay it down beneath your feet. R is the letter, round and right. Now we know R with all our might. We sang and smiled, we danced today. R is our star, hip, hip, hooray!
S is special, S is fun. It starts the words we love to run. Slither like a snake or sail at sea. Come sing the S song now with me. S is for sun that shines so bright, giving us warmth and golden light. S is for sandwich, soft and sweet, a yummy thing we love to eat. S is for snow that's cold and white, falling gently through the night. S is for socks we wear on our feet, striped or spotted, they're so neat. S is super, S is strong, it sings a sound all day long. From snake to snow and even smile, let's keep singing S with style. S is for slide, we slip and glide, laughing loud as we go down wide. S is for star up in the sky, sparkling bright, so way up high. S is for soap to keep us clean, scrub-a-dub bubble shiny and green. S is for school where we learn and play. S is for songs we sing each day. S is special, S is fun. Our S adventure is almost done. Slide, smile, snow and sun. S is for everyone. Go! E is exciting, come and see. Lots of E things just for me. Look around, what's on the ground? E is where fun things are found. E is for egg, round and white. Crack it gently, hold it tight. E is for envelope, open wide. Letters and notes tucked inside. Is for eraser, pink and neat, fixing pencil lines so sweet. E is for engine, strong and loud, pulling trains through misty cloud. E is exciting, come and see. Lots of E things just for me. Look around, what's on the ground? E is where fun things are found. E is for earphones, music play, songs and stories every day. E is for easel, paint so free, making pictures just like me. E is for earth globe, big and round, spin it fast, it makes a sound. E is for eye mask, soft at night, helping sleep till morning light. E is exciting, come and see. Lots of E things just for me. Now we know the letter E, learning letters happily.
animals, here they are. The cow goes moo, so big and round, chewing grass without a sound. She gives us milk both day and night, a gentle cow so calm and bright. The fluffy sheep goes ba ba ba, walking slowly through the straw, wearing wool like cozy coats. They love to munch on grassy moats. Down on the farm, what do you hear? Animal sounds far and near, cluck and moo, neigh and baa. Let's meet the animals, here they are. The hen clucks and lays her egg, she waddles with her tiny leg. The rooster crows with a mighty call, cock-a-doodle-doo to wake us all. The horse runs fast with hooves that pound, galloping over the soft farm ground. With a neigh and a swish of tail, he rides the wind